Next part of install the Touareg dashboard. We are here after many times trying, really. It's very hard, it's not easy. I'm not advise anyone to remove and reinstall this dashboard. Speedometer and the screwdriver. It's many issues, really. You're gonna lost a lot things, so better to not remove anymore. Well, here we go here. So we just wanna show you something here. Next part here doesn't fit anymore. I have to change it here for fit. It's to be like this. So the first part, guys, was how to remove that, because was issues about the parameter, the timer of this speed.